When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. Buonasera, my friends. My name is Sarah, and today we are making a pizza. These are our ingredients already pre-measured for our recipe today. But our very first step is setting the oven to temperature to bake. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it to 450 degrees. 50. And now it will just preheat the oven, and when it's ready, after we've added all of our ingredients, we will put it in the oven to cook. First, you need one baking sheet. Place your pizza crust on the baking sheet. Spread your vegetable oil along the pizza crust. Add 1/2 cup pizza sauce to the center of your pizza crust and spread with a spoon. I like a little extra sauce on mine. Next, you want to spread a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese around your pizza. Does it really matter which comes first? Not necessarily, but you can be creative with all of your ingredients. The ingredients I like on top of my pizza. I have 1/3 cup sliced pepperoni, 1/2 cup chicken sausage cut into small pieces, 1/8 cup red onion thinly sliced, and 1/8 cup green pepper. What ingredients do you like on your pizza? I'm going to split my ingredients between 2 halves of the pizza. On one side, I'm going to do green peppers, and sliced pepperoni. You may use less or more pepperoni, whatever's to your liking. And on the other half, I'm going to use my thinly sliced red onion, and chicken sausage. Remember, you can be as creative as you want with your pizzas and do any sort of combinations you can think of. For our next step, make sure you get adult supervision and wear an oven mitt, because we're going to be taking the pizza into our oven that has been preheated to 450 degrees. And we're going to set our timer for 8 minutes. What are some ways that you can spend your time while your pizza is cooking? I like to clean as I go, so I would come over to the sink and do my dishes. Our timer is up. Time to take out our pizza. Oh, it looks pretty scrumptious. I'm going to give it 1 more minute, just so it gets nice and crispy on the edges. Our minute is up, and I think our pizza's done. So make sure to have your adult supervision help you take the pizza out of the oven with an oven mitt, because it's very hot. And we're gonna let it cool off for a couple of minutes. See how everything's nice and melted together? We wanna make sure it's nice and cool before we bite into it. So we'll check back in just a couple of minutes. Our last step requires adult supervision. They are going to cut into your pizza however you like to slice it. I'm going to slice it in quarters, which means in fourths. I'm gonna go once this way, and once this way. Grazie, and thank you for joining me on this cooking adventure. I can't wait to see how your masterpieces turn out. Who are you going to share your pizza with? That's amore!